Hello and welcome to the part 2 of creating calculated columns. I'm going to create a new calculated column inside the dim product table. So in the design view, make sure you've got the dim product table selected and then click on the extensions menu and click on column and then click on add new column, and that will add a new column. I'm going to add a formula in the formula bar for this new column. I have already prepared the formula I'm going to add, so I'm just going to highlight it, right click, copy, and then paste it into the formula bar. Once it's in the formula bar, press enter, and that will add that to the new column. So we now have a new calculated column. So again, I'm going to click inside the column. I'm going to double click on it and then give it a new name. I'm going to call it product category name. So I've given the column a new name. I've called it product category name. So I'll press enter and that will add the new name. So if I just expand the column a bit, you can see the new name for the column. If you scroll through the column, you can see some of the rows in the columns are populated. I'm going to create another column. This is going to be a margin calculated column, and I'm going to create this column in the fact internet sales table. In the design view, make sure you have the fact internet sales tab for the table selected. I'm going to create a new calculated column in between two columns. So I'm going to look for the sales amount column. So I'm just going to scroll through. I'm going to create a new calculated column between the sales amount column and the tax amount column. So while I have the tax amount column selected, I'm just going to right click and select to insert column. The new column has been created, so I'm going to add a formula in the formula bar. I've already prepared the formula, so I'm just going to copy it and then paste it into the formula bar. I'm just going to get rid of the duplicate equals to and then press enter, and that should populate the column. You can see the column has now been populated. So I'm going to double click on the column header and just rename it to margin. Once you rename the column, just press enter and that will add the new name. So the new name is margin. The margin calculated column is used to analyze profit margins for each sale. In this video, we created more calculated columns. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.